Hi guys, thanks for tuning in, sponsored by Marina Strawberry. We're back again, and this time it's an unboxing of a graphics card. It's EVGA Geforce GT 710. This is for my mini ITX build. This I picked up for about £15, brand new sealed, as you can see. I think these retail for about £40 to £50, and I got it for 15 quid, which is a bargain. Now we're going to do an unboxing of this. So let me get my handy knife. There we go. And box is slightly damaged, but obviously that's not going to affect the card or anything. Okay. I'm going to slit the side. Oh, okay. There we go. Don't know why my camera's zoomed in too much. There we go. There we go. This opens from the side. Okay, so it's in a bubble wrap. This is the card itself. I believe there's a bracket inside. This is a bracket. So that's that. Anything else? And what's this stuff? This is. Okay, you don't need that. Chuck that away. Nothing else in there. Chuck that away. There we go. The card itself. Don't need this. Chuck that away. This is a little card, compact card. Yeah, it's really tiny. There we go. EVGA GT 720. This is the front, the side, the other side. GT 710 engraved. Well, it's not engraved, it's more like a sticker or something. The back, it's got the standard back plate. Oh, this is the ports, the VGA, DVI and HDMI. Well, there you go guys. These are the extra brackets that you could use. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.